Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Miles and Indigo, and I share videos about goal setting, spirituality, mental health and awareness, journaling, and my story. Today I'm moving into a new bullet journal. I got through the first half of the year plus a few months from the previous year in my last journal, and I'm ready to start off this new journal with my birthday month and then the rest of the year. So let's get into this journal and see how I have it set up for the second half of the year. So as you can see, I have no pages in the back of this notebook, so I'm heading on to a new journal. This is the Loistrom journal, and I'm first setting up a grid in my journal so I can see how many squares and spaces I have for each page. This gives me a better visualization of what I can put on a page and about how many boxes things will be when I want to create them. It's just a helpful reference to have in your bullet journal. So on this grid spacing page, I have the width, the height, the quarters, and I also have 5x5 boxes and 5x10 boxes. As I get to use this journal more, I'll probably come back and put in some more grids for the most frequently used sizes that I use in my bullet journal spreads. And this is my first spread. I ended up doing this off camera because I wasn't sure if I was going to include this or not, but I have my ideal week here, and this has Monday through Friday and then the weekend. I have a mix of logical brain thinking days and then also creative days. So the logic days are Mondays, and that is yellow, and then Thursdays and Fridays in the morning. And the rest of the week is creative time. Tuesday, I have an artist day. Wednesday is a creative day, and then Thursday and Friday afternoons are also creative days. I split my days up this way because I have two jobs. I have Owls and Indigo, and I also have a marketing consultancy with my husband. So I like to balance my time this way. And this ideal week spread is a flip out. That way, no matter where I'm at in my bullet journal, I can utilize the flip out aspect of it, and I can just quickly reference where I'm at, and I can leave this open to keep myself on track. And on the middle, I have my daily flow. This is an Ayurvedic daily clock. So I have it starting at 5 in the morning, and then it goes all the way around to 10 at night. And I really love this. If you'd like a video on how to set this up, or just something a little more in depth on the Ayurvedic times of the day, let me know in the comments down below. So I have my daily flow here. It has times for Vata, Kapha, and Pitta, and those are the different energies that you have during the day in the Ayurveda. And now I'm moving on to my monthly layouts. This is just a quick little monthly overview. I'm utilizing stamps, that way I don't have to keep writing in the dates. And then next to each month, I'm putting in the moon phase wheel, and I'm going to be putting the dates alongside the moon phases as well. Now I'm just dressing up the page with some more star stamps and some celestial stamps, and then filling in the months and the dates. I like to use a sticky note on my hand to make sure that I don't smudge the page. This has helped a lot. I tend to smudge pages a lot, and it's not because I'm leaving the ink to be super wet. It's because my hands are always moist, so it sucks. It has to do with lotion and all of the hand washing that we've been doing. And now I'm moving on to my first monthly overview in this journal, and this is starting off June. I'm just adding the moon phases to my monthly overview page for June, and then I'll come back in later and add the dates as well. And on the opposite page, I have my watercolor honeysuckle painting. If you'd like to see the full paint with me, I'll leave that linked up above and down below. I can't wait to show you how this turned out. It was really beautiful in the end. I share a lot of videos about journaling, writing, and getting to know yourself and expanding your spirituality. And I wanted to make sure that I let you know about the private monthly spirituality journaling prompt. Make sure you sign up for this. The private monthly spirituality journaling prompt goes out on the first of every month, and it comes straight to your email inbox. There's the prompt waiting for you and a special video for the journaling prompt that also has my answer to the journaling question for the month as well. So make sure you sign up for that. I'll leave a link for that down below so you can head over to my website, alzindigo.com, to have it sent straight to your email inbox on the first of every month. You can find me over on Instagram at alzindigo. That's where I am most. Or over on the website, alzindigo.com. That's where I share tips about the moon, mental health and awareness, goal setting, journaling, and my story. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.